Hey guys, welcome to Delf Stack, and today I'm gonna show you how to make 15-second story in Messenger. So to do this process, first is you could just simply go ahead and open up the Messenger application into your device. Now over here, just simply create a story at the top left corner of the screen. And now from here, it will open up the gallery. And of course, you could just simply select the video that you have. As you can see from here, when you select a video right away, you can trim it. And the story lasts up to 60 seconds maximum. So to shorten this, to make it a 15-second story, of course, we could just simply adjust the time frame over here to make it around 15 seconds, and you can just simply select done on the top or right corner of the screen. And now if you want to adjust it, you can just simply go ahead and go to the three dots on the top right corner, and you will have the trim icon at the top. And then now you should be able to adjust the time frame, and pretty much this will be depending on you guys on how do you want, on when and where do you want to cut it. And now, of course, once you are done editing your story, putting some text, GIFs, some music, you just simply select share now at the bottom right corner of the screen to proceed with this process. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.